In a world where reindeer can fly and Christmas is always in the air, one special reindeer.
Behold, Blizzard!
This is unbelievable. You have all 3 magic gifts.
Is about to break 1,000 years of tradition.
You guys want to try flying with me?
Actually, we're doing guy stuff.
You don't have to be so mean about it.
We don't want you here.
Well, then, I'll just leave.
Wow.
That little lad in your hoofs?
His skates are ruined.
Did you hear that?
One of our most important rules is that you can't contact humans.
Why are you so sad?
I miss skating.
Are you crazy? Bringing a human up here will get you banished for sure.
She needs some skates.
Are your antlers loose?
She brought this human into Santa's village.
She only wanted to help me. She's the most special reindeer ever.
This holiday season,
What exactly is skating?
Why don't I skip tonight? Just for you.
you're invited to grab hold
I see. Skating is just like flying on ice.
and hang on
It's a whole different world from up here.
as a magical friendship takes flight. Brenda Blethyn,
True friendship is a gift. It lives forever.
Christopher Plummer,
There is no higher expression of the Christmas spirit than the giving of oneself.
Kevin Pollak,
I will banish the freak.
Freak this!
and Whoopi Goldberg as the voice of
Did you see his face?
Blizzard.
Come quickly. There is something you must see.
You're feeling sickly and hurt your knee?
No, see. See.